Okay, what I want to do quickly is show you how to access documents that have been graded that have annotated feedback on them. So feedback that appears on the document instead of just in a little box to the side. So the first thing I need to do is go to the grades area in Blackboard, which is where all that stuff is kept. So I want to click on my grades, and I get my big list of everything that's upcoming as well as things that have already been graded. And you can see here I have an item that's been graded, so I can click on this and see all the comments and the numeric grade. And I have my numeric grade out to the side here, but when I click on the document in the list, it's going to take me to the full view of all my comments and stuff. And you can see here I have the annotated document that I submitted that appears in a preview version. And this preview that you see in Blackboard should display all the comments that you need, and if you just want to look at the comments and sort of take note about those without printing them, this is going to be enough for you. If you do want to go another step and print the document with the annotations, what you'll have to do is use this download area here. You click download and you get two options, and one is including the comment, so you want to make sure you click that one. When the print dialog box when the PDF save dialog box appears there, you want to make sure too that you open the file with the right program. Because if you open it with some default program, I know in Mac the default program is Preview. Some of those types of things don't handle some of the floating annotations very well. When I mean floating, I mean these that are sort of out to the side. Sometimes they don't display those. So I want to make sure I go in and choose Adobe Acrobat Reader, and this is Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, so it's just the free version. I'll click Open, and then click OK, and then it will open for me. And I will see that my comments are all here, just like they were in Preview, except this comment that was floating out to the side sort of appears on the top of the document rather than out to the side. And you can probably maybe change the view of this so that it works a little bit better, but I'm not going to get into that. Just know that it will kind of appear on top. And if it helps any, if you've got a lot of comments to deal with, you can sort of see a faint sort of connection to the little point in the document where the comment is being directed if you hover over the box. So I can sort of see this little yellow line. But everything else appears just fine. Now, what I wanted to do, if I want to print this and include these comments that are floating, I may have to do another step. So when I hit the print button, you can see I only have one page here. I'm looking at the document in the preview, and I can see the comments that are appearing on the document, but I don't see that little floating window anywhere. So what I want to do there is make sure that I hit Summarize Comments, and where it may be slightly different, but look for something that sort of says something like that. I'm going to say yes, and now I can see I have 2 pages, and when I flip to the back page, it's sort of got an itemized list of all the comments. And that's it. Hopefully that works for you. If not, let us know and we'll figure something out. Thanks.